What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm here to show you guys a traffic source that I've been using. Okay, I went to log in and this popped up, so I thought I'd just keep it right there. Okay, when I came on, this is a traffic source I've been using, and it's telling me you got a medal, 6 years. I didn't realize I've been an affiliate for this company for 6 years. Amazing how time flies. But at any rate, I want to show you this traffic source. The link is in the description, and I want to show you how easy it is to actually get people, okay, people that's raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in making money online with a click of the mouse, okay, or any smart device. You can do this. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to place your order to get traffic over to your capture page, using this source right here that I've been using unbeknownst to me for 6 years now. All right, so let's go check it out. Okay, this traffic source is called Udimi. Okay, you can go here, guys, and actually purchase traffic. All right, because I know a lot of people are in what we call the NFL club, the No Friends Left club, right? Where you've already exhausted all your warm market. Every opportunity you've gotten in, you've talked to your warm market people, you know, your co-workers, you know, same people over and over, and every time they see you, they're like, oh my goodness, what are you promoting now? You no longer have to do that, guys. All you need to do, this is just one source, is go here, okay, place your order, give these folks your link to your capture page, and they will run some traffic, meaning visitors of people that's interested in making money online. They will send these folks to your website. All right, so I'm going to show you this. So when you go in, you'll see this, right? So find sellers, and I'll share with you when you get started with me in one of my opportunities, the folks I've used on here. All right, so that way you have somewhere to start. But find sellers, and you'll see all these people come up, right? And it has their price, 49 cents per click, or you can click solo deals, see what's on sale. Okay, this guy right here has placed over, oh my goodness, over 1,000 orders, 1,779 orders. Okay, so, you know, they have a track record. But what I would look at is I would look at the reviews of people, okay, and see how many sales. People will post their review and say if they made sales, okay, with these folks. But we're just going to show you how simple it is to place an order. But when you get started with me and my different opportunities, just reach out to me and I will share some of the folks that I've used here. All right, so we're going to say we're looking at DWP, right? This would be a page I would send traffic to, right? This page right here. So all you do is go up to the top of your URL and you copy the URL link, okay? So you're over here and you decide, hey, I'm going to place an order. Hang on one second. All right, so just to keep it simple, how simple is it? All right, you decide on the person that you're going to use. Here's somebody, 49 cents, 40 cents. Let's just say we're going to use this one, okay? Because we're going to keep this simple. So let's say we decide on this guy right here. We click here, okay? He's out of Canada, okay? Let's just say that's who we're going with. So right here, and as you can see, I've already, my last order, I sent some traffic for one of my members. So the link is still in there. So let's take that out of there. We're going to take that out. We go here. I'm going to copy this, right? And we go here and this comes up automatically because I have it saved. Whoa, hang on one second. Okay, whenever I place my ad, I always tell the vendor what program I'm promoting. So right here I had my automatic pay. So let's say we're doing this one, Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, okay, all right. So I'm promoting Digital Wealth Pros in there. Always let them know that. And we're gonna have this link right here. Hang on a second. It's just copy and paste, guys. Basically, it's all we're doing. Copying and pasting. If you can copy paste, you see that? That's it. Now right here, you're going to use gauge and decide, well, how much traffic are you purchasing? Tells you right here, 250 clicks. Okay, so you want to go down to how much do you want to spend? All right, see right here, it tells you $73. Go down, just move your screen down a little bit. So for 175 visitors, that's what that means. They're going to send 175 business opportunity people to your page. It's not a guarantee of sales, but they will guarantee you the traffic. Okay, we don't know how many people are actually going to put their name and email in the system, and we don't know how many people are actually going to sign up, but they're guaranteeing they're going to send 175 people over your way. So $73, that's a good deal. It's a real good deal. So you just move this to whatever your budget is, right? 200 visitors is $83. Okay, and then all you do, guys, is just this simple. So let's say you decide I want the 200 visitors for $83. All you do is click checkout. Okay, he's saying, you know, he's telling about himself there. Then right here, look, it says, well, how do you want to pay? PayPal, or you want to use a credit card? And you click buy now. You enter your credit card. Okay, your debit card or credit card, and then you're going to get an email from the vendor at this point. Okay, they're going to email you and let you know they received your order and when your traffic is going to start. You also will see here in your back office of this system, it'll show you your order status as well. Okay, so it's just that simple. A click. You can do this from your computer or your smartphone. The main thing is you need the link that you want them to send the visitors to in here. Okay, so I'll put that right there and I'll just let them know what I'm promoting. That's just how I've always done it. Okay, that's it. And your traffic will start. They'll tell you when it's going to start. Okay, you'll get an email and then you also be able to see it here in the dashboard. Okay, just that simple, guys. It's just copied and pasted. By the way, since I've got you here, if you're interested in a program, okay, in which you don't have to speak to people and answer their questions about the program, you may want to go check this particular program out right here. It pays $200 to $1,500 commissions instantly. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Okay, this is a great system. Everything is already set up. All you need to do is purchase your traffic, which is what I showed you over here. This is just one source. I'll share others with you. Purchase traffic, send them to your link. Now, if you join me in this particular opportunity, okay, I'm going to pay for your first traffic package. All right, so you're not going to have to worry about that. But get started. The end of the year is here. 2023 is literally around the corner. All right, guys, so if you're interested in making money online, getting paid instantly any way you want, simply using a smartphone, check it out. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.